It says UPC, just like it's supposed to on the real pair. The spacing is a little big on top, and there's also no line under the 1. So, yeah, the box is pretty mangled, but I did just buy them just to show you guys. I'm not going to wear them or anything. This looks correct, and there's a Chinese sticker on top. So getting right into the shoe, the real Yeezys don't have this paper. This says Boost on it. It looks like that. So the real pair, it's kind of like a tan type. So yeah, these are the shoes, putting the box aside. They came with a shoe tree inside, the cardboard shoe tree, and this, which I guess they all have, and it's pretty easy to replicate. Starting off with the shoe, first look, it's actually really good. I would never wear like a fake shoe out in public, but if I really didn't care that much, I would wear these, because at first glance you really can't tell. The lining down the front is black, as well as the pattern, it curves up towards the back of the shoe. I've seen some videos to where the pattern just goes straight back. This one, as you can see, it curves up. The stitching is pretty close with the pull tab, and it's right near the sock liner. The back, the box that lots of people look at to see if it's just a square or if it's straight, I think that came out pretty good. And the overall shoe, this is the YZY that lots of people also look for. That's like, if it focuses, it's kind of like a velvet. So it's not bad, and it's soft. I wouldn't say it's velvet, but it's definitely, it's not poor. It's pretty good. Also the stitching is pretty close as well. So this is the right shoe. The bottom of it, the Boost, there's no dots like they're supposed to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. There's none. But I mean, when you're wearing them, no one's going to look at the bottom of them. It says Adidas right there. And of course on the bottom you have Boost. I know lots of people look for the mirror pattern. I know I'm on Instagram and I do follow lots of Yeezy Instagram pages. So I do notice lots of people look for that mirror pattern. And honestly, you could tell for yourself if it's mirrored or not. If you don't know what the mirror pattern is, it's where the same exact pattern is next to each other. It's mirrored. So the pattern here would be here, and the pattern here would be here. On a real pair, you would see that the pattern on the inside is on the outside of the other shoe, and the pattern on this side would be here. They wouldn't be next to each other. So we'll take the insoles out, and we'll see if it has the stripe underneath the insole, and we'll also check out the actual insole itself. So let's take the shoe tree out, and this is the insole. It says Adidas Yeezy, and I've tried them on. Obviously I haven't went outside with them, but I have tried them on a couple times, and this is the pattern, or not the pattern, the text is still on. It's not rubbing off or anything, so that's good. This is the bottom of it. I know lots of people say if the Adidas logo is textured and you know, everything looks good, then they're real. That's another way you could find out. But I mean, obviously if someone's listing them as fake, you'll know right away. There's the stripe that I'm talking about. So that's the stripe that I'm talking about on the bottom. You could see some replicas don't have the stripe. This one does, as well as the stripe up here. Okay, what else? I'll put this back in. And we'll check out the shoelaces now. With the shoelaces, the real Pirate Blacks, the aglets are actually like a matte black. These are clear, as you can see. Obviously, I have seen replicas to where they're matte black, which makes it obviously even harder. Probably see it there. It's not a matte, kind of just a normal clear aglet. Also, something really good about these, they feel really sturdy, but the bottom on the real ones is kind of like a matte black. I've seen some replicas where they're shiny. This one is a matte black. So instead of having like a shiny bottom or a shiny plastic type of bottom, this is matte. And I have a light on above me, so it might look shiny, but it's all around, it's like a matte type of black. Also the pattern in the back, it goes straight back, or it goes opposite. I think that's pretty much it. This is for the Pirate Black Yeezy 350 Boost. Once again, please don't comment asking where I got these. I won't be posting a link. This is just for educational purposes of what you can find out there. These cost me $53 with shipping, and I ordered them December 14th. I got tracking on December 16th, and I got them on January 13th. So yeah, it took a little while to get them. Could be because of the new year or Christmas, but I mean, if I wanted to wear them outside, I would say I'm really happy with them. So this is the Pirate Black 350 Boost replicas, or fakes, or unauthorized, whatever you guys want to call them. And stick around for the end of the video, because I'm going to be doing an on feet as well as a 360 view detail view of the shoes. So thanks for watching, and I'll try and be posting more shoe reviews. I'm going to be getting actually real Yeezys in hopefully soon, so I'll be doing reviews of those, unboxing, and all of that. So stick around and I'll show you an on feet.